In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust the layers of different audio tracks in Descript so you can control how each sound sits in your mix. Start by opening your project in Descript. In the main timeline or composition view, click on the audio track you want to adjust. Selecting the correct track first is important because all changes will apply only to that layer. Once the track is selected, look to the right side of the screen for the layer panel. This panel shows all the settings for the selected audio track. To adjust the volume, find the volume control in the layer panel. Use the slider to increase or decrease the volume until the audio sounds balanced with the rest of your tracks. Next, adjust the panning if needed. In the same panel, locate the pan control. This allows you to move the audio slightly left or right in the stereo field, which helps create a more natural and immersive sound. If you are working with voiceovers and background music, you can also enable ducking. In the audio effects section, turn on the option to lower other audio layers. This automatically reduces background sound when the main voice track plays. After making your adjustments, play back the project to make sure everything sounds clean and well balanced. That's it. You've successfully adjusted the layers of different audio tracks in Descript for a more polished and professional result. Thanks for watching and happy editing.